What happens when a single spark turns a massive chemical tanker into a floating fireball, leaving its crew with almost no chance of survival? On the night of February 28, 2004, the Bow Mariner, a 175-meter chemical tanker carrying ethanol and other volatile cargoes, sailed through the Atlantic, about 50 miles off the coast of Virginia. To those on board, it was another long voyage at sea. The ship's massive steel hull cut through dark waters, her engines humming, as crewmen prepared routine tank cleaning operations. But beneath this calm routine was a silent threat. The Bow Mariner carried thousands of tons of flammable chemicals, and as the cleaning began, vapors began to spread through the ship's decks, invisible, odorless, and deadly. At 6:10 p.m., in an instant, the tanker erupted. A violent explosion tore through the hull, shattering steel, blasting fire across the decks, and plunging the ship into chaos. The night sky lit up as the Bow Mariner split open, flames towering above the ocean. Of the 27 crew members, only 6 survived. Most never escaped the inferno, trapped by fire and toxic fumes. Survivors later recalled being hurled into freezing waters, clinging to wreckage as burning debris rained down around them. For investigators, the disaster raised haunting questions. Were safety protocols ignored? Did the crew fully understand the danger of cleaning volatile tanks at sea? Or was this catastrophe the result of an inevitable chain of human error and chemical volatility colliding? The loss of the Bow Mariner was not just another maritime tragedy. It was a stark reminder of the razor-thin line between routine and disaster when man challenges the sea with ships carrying deadly cargo.